Today, the Upshur County Sheriff's Office held a dedication ceremony for their new shooting range. This new range features more space to shoot and plenty of targets for the police department. The process began when the Sheriff's Office reached out to the Commissioner's Court and received $50,000 in funding. The entire process took 1 year to complete with the help of several outside donors.
Something we thought we could never have would be a range, and after that we started putting plans together, started talking with Commissioner's Court where we could possibly have it at out here at the county's land here, and they approved everything, and then from there the funds were made available to us.
Sheriff Webb says this new facility is available for all law enforcement officers to use, not just Upshur County.